Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Electric Scooter free app. In this video I'll show you how to manage security settings of your scooter. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now scroll down. Go to additional settings, security settings, use passwords, set new password, and now you can turn off password, change password and use it for your scooter. Switch this button to disable this function, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.